actually missed a couple days this week, just over the weekend, but we are at Rusk Nature Preserve today in Beaver Creek. It's one that we like a lot. Let's go.
What do you mean we're done?
Mile, done. Let's walk.
These GPS Adidas apps suck.
No, it finished.
It sucks. I don't think it works right. Mine says I've done 0 for the record.
I think it worked fine.
Now we are going to the wooden playground.
Called the Playscape.
Playscape? The
So.
wooden playscape.
You have to make sure to social distance though. See the sign?
Oh. Practice social distancing. Are you gonna get up on the chair?
Maybe. Don't laugh if I fall. The bug on my face.
Ooh, my turn, my turn.
Cannot. Little baby car. Oh no, how sad. It's been through some stuff. Brandon thinks this little tree over here looks like, what'd you say it looks like?
What?
This tree.
It's like a lady doing a curtsy or something.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks like a balance beam over there. Or a seating area. That's cool. And then there's a little teeter-totter. This is my favorite part up here. Or you can, what?
I think you're supposed to do it from the bottom and climb up.
Probably. Well, do you want to do that or do you want to go down the rope? This little area was done by a Boy Scout troop. Brandon's going down the hill. All right, come on. Take a little, you're just gonna... I could do it with one hand. Nope, can't even get on.
You're just fitting your feet through it. You're cheating.
Okay.
Alright.
Made it. And then over here is cool. It's a little like shed thing. It almost looks like a porta potty, but it's not, I think. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How's it going in your little house
We are
today?
closed for business because of the corona.
All right, well,
Social distance, please.
I don't know if that's actually what it's supposed to be.
I think it's supposed to be an ant farm. What else is it supposed to be?
Dirt.
Dirt. So this area is done by, I think it's done by the Boy Scouts, right? They come here and this is how they earn some of their badges. I just find it really amusing that one Boy Scout was like, give me a screw and a piece of PVC pipe. Here's my wood project. Wonder if we got a badge.
Come on. It's a bunny. There goes the bunny.
If you didn't know, last year on Memorial Day, there was a series of tornadoes that tore through the Dayton-Miami Valley area. They began on Memorial Day night on May 27, 2019, and lasted early into the next morning. There are some reports that say that there were 16 tornadoes, while others say that there were 19. No matter what the number, that is staggering that there are that many tornadoes in one area on one night. And the storms were devastating. It is reported that they caused an estimated $1 billion worth of damage, and they sadly took the lives of 2 people. Brandon and I are extremely fortunate that we are safe, and we did not personally have, none of the damage personally affected us. I'm grateful that we weren't even in the area, that we didn't have to experience that. I feel greatly for those in my community that had to go through that terrifying night. So in regards to this park, Brandon and I have visited this park since shortly after getting married, so we frequented it a lot for the past about 3 years. Shortly after the tornadoes hit, we drove by, and the park was closed, I think, for the remainder of the season, but even from the road, you could tell that there was a lot of damage that was done. The wooded area was a lot less dense, and you could see the parking lot and the restrooms from the road, which was not possible before the storms. As you can see in this footage, there are trees that were shredded and bent over, as if the forests were made of like toothpicks and clay. It really was Really, it's amazing to see. As sad as it is, it's crazy that nature can do this. And as you can see from the footage earlier in our walk, several of the large trees were uprooted and just taken, like, bent over just from wind. It's crazy. So as sad as this devastation is, I did notice a couple, I guess you could say, bright spots in it. When the tornadoes first hit, there was a palpable sense of community, like, wherever you went in the area. Not only could you relate to pretty much anyone who lived in the Dayton, Miami Valley area, the community literally came together to help pick up the pieces of the storm. I personally helped with one cleanup crew, and it was a great experience. Just because there are so many strangers that came together just to pick up yards, to pick up houses. It's amazing to see what the community did in this time. So something that I found hopeful, especially in these uncertain times, was the new growth among the destruction. I found it both comforting and inspiring. Where there is destruction and sadness, the trails are almost unkempt at this point because there's so much new regrowth. There's new trees growing up beside the fallen, and they're being carefully taken care of. As we continue on during this crazy time, like where we don't know what's going to happen next, and in a lot of ways, the year kind of feels like it's been taken over by just, we don't know what's going to happen. Things seem kind of dark sometimes, but let this park be a reminder that where there is destruction and sadness, there is always regrowth, as long as you take care of the regrowth. Hello, future me editing here. I realized as I was editing that we didn't really do an outro for this one, so thank you for joining us as we explored the Russ Nature Preserve. I wanted to point out that I did put a couple links down in the description about, I think one of them was like a timeline of like the storms and what happened, and then there's something about continued cleanup efforts in the area. So thank you for joining us, and make sure to like and subscribe down below, and we will see you on the next mile. Bye!